So welcome and thank you for coming and trying this breath class with me. If you've never done this before, this works so much better with headphones on, earbuds, headphones, anything like that. So if you want to rush off right now and get your headphones, you can do that. We won't start without you. I'll give you just a minute to do that. While everybody's rushed off, my name is Steve. I'm a breathwork instructor based here in Toronto. But the special gift of this past year is that what I do is now reaching out to people all over the world, which is just wonderful. As we go through this exercise tonight, you're not going to be paying attention. There's nothing to see. You're just going to let words flow through your body. Because I'm going to be asking you to make some noise from time to time. And I'm going to ask you to move your body and let your arms flail around and let your body rock back and forth and just let go with whatever is in there. If you want. If you don't want to, then don't do that. Breathwork is a very personal journey. It's whatever feels right for you. So in this journey tonight, you're going to be breathing deeply in and out. Deeply in and out. Over and over and over again. You come to a point breathing like this where your egoic mind is going to say, enough. You've done enough. You can stop. And you're going to say, not tonight. Not tonight, ego. Not tonight. I'm going to breathe a little bit more. Deeply in and out. You feel this strange feeling in your body. A buzzing and a vibration and a tingling. Feel like you're light and lifting out of your body. Awareness is expanding beyond the physical. I feel numbness in your nose and your mouth. You can continue to breathe. In and out, in and out. From time to time, we'll be breathing with a rhythm. You'll hear the beats of the music beating loudly. You'll breathe in with the music and out with the music in a rhythmic, circular, continuous breath. After a long time of breathing like this, I'll ask you to take a final big breath in. And you'll let it go. And then you'll stop. Without breath. And all your awareness and all your focus and all your energy on your breath is now gone. And it's in that moment of no breathing that you turn inwards. And there's a quiet space inside of you. An empty space. And you go in there and just experience yourself. All that you are. For a long time of not breathing, I'll ask you to breathe deeply in. Take a big lungful of air. You'll hold that breath in and feel a rush of energy through your body. You'll let that go. And we'll do this again and again and again. 4 rounds of breathing. Each round a little deeper, a little more rhythmic, a little more energetic. Then you'll feel all sorts of strange feelings. You may even feel a little lightheaded, a little dizzy. It's even possible to faint during breath work. So I ask that you are in a safe place. Fainting isn't dangerous, but bumping your head on the way down is dangerous. So make sure you're in a safe place. If you're brand new to breath work, lie down on a yoga mat, on your bed, on your couch, or perhaps sitting back in a comfortable armchair. I like to sit up when I do my breath work, tall and straight, with room for my body to move around. But also, I have my bed behind me to lean back on when I need to. If you are sitting up, have a place to lie down too, just in case. And this is your journey. If you feel like the breathing is just too much, you can't keep up, slow down. If you're holding your breath at the bottom of your lungs, you're thinking, oh my goodness, I really need to breathe. Steve hasn't said breathe. You can breathe, my friends. It's your journey. Connect deeply with your body and the energy that flows through you. And I know a lot of you right now are thinking, what is going on? I wasn't paying attention properly and I don't know what to do. Don't worry. I'm going to guide you through the whole thing. Just follow along. Let go of your thinking mind, your busy brain. Just listen. You can breathe through your nose or your mouth. You can be quiet, or you can sigh and chant, laugh and scream if you want. You can lie very still. You can let your hands and arms move with your breath. You feel a shake and a shiver move through you. Or you may completely surrender to the rhythm of your breath and let yourself move however you want to move. I invite you now to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And a long sigh of good feelings. Drop into this moment, right here, right now. Just take a moment to observe where your energy is right now. Do you notice your mind? Distracted thoughts or focused on the deep questions of life? Very much in your head. Are you feeling into your body? Aware of the space that you are? Physical sensations? Are you connected to your heart? To an emotional state? Whatever it is. Take a deep breath in. And again, a long, slow sigh of good feelings. And now just notice your breath. A little wave of energy that rises from your root. A ripple of energy flows up your spine. With every breath in, the crown of your head. You let it go. And we begin. Breathe deeply in. And let it go. Breathe deeply in. And let it go. Deep, full breaths, as deep as you can. Fully in. And at the top, simply release. Let the air fall away from your body. Deeply in. And let it go. go. Connect with the rhythm. Connect with the beats. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out. Deep, full breaths. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out. Deep, connected breaths. No hold at the top, no hold at the bottom. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out. In, out, in, out. Surrender to the rhythm. Surrender to your breath. Deep, full breaths. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, out. Stay with your breath. Deeply in. Let it go. The buzz and vibration in your body. Tingling, lightness, numbness. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out. In, out. Final breaths. Keep going. In, out, in, out. Last breath. Breathe deeply in and hold for just a moment. Feel a rush of energy, buzz, tingling, lightness, and let your breath go. And stop. Without breath. You're fully relaxed. Go beyond your desire to breathe. Your body becomes heavy. Feel yourself sinking down. Your awareness and focus turns inwards. Connect with whatever is alive in your heart right now. Whatever is there, it's yours to experience. The rise of an air hunger within you. You're calm and relaxed. Let go of the tension. Hold for just a little longer, if you can. Breathe deeply in. And hold. Feel a rush And let your breath go. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Connect. Deep, full breaths. Connected. Continuous. Circular. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In. Out. Let your body move. Let your breath dance through you. You're lying down. Let your hands and arms move with the energy around you. A shake and a shiver rise in your legs. And breathe deeply in. And hold. As you squeeze. The lion's breath. Breathe fully out. Squeeze the air from your body. Connect with a faster rhythm. Faster breath. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Breathing through your nose or your mouth. Fully in, out, in, out, in, out. If you feel called to release your voice, let it go. The sigh, the cry, warrior's yell, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Final breaths. Breathe deeply in and hold. As you hold your breath, squeeze the muscles of your pelvic floor. Squeeze from your root. Lift through your belly. The lion's breath. Let it go. As you squeeze the air from your body. Last breath. Breathe deeply in. And let it go. And hold without breath. Let your body go. Let all the energy drain away. You're fully relaxed. Release all the tension. Turn your awareness inwards. an empty space. The body meets the spirit. Breathe deeply in. And hold. Squeeze from your roots to your sacrum, plexus. Lift this energy to your heart, to your throat, to your third eye. Roll your eyes up, look towards your crown. Connect with the light. And as loud as you can be, let your breath go. 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, in. 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, in. 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, in. 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4. Deep, full breaths. Fully in. Release. Your body move. Surrender to your breath, to the energy. In, 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, in. 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4. If you're ready, faster. In, out, in. Out, in, out, in, out. Let your body go. Let it move. Let it shake and shiver. Let your spine move with every breath. In, out, in, out, in, out. Breathe deeply in. And hold. As you hold, squeeze from your roots, muscles of your pelvic floor. Squeeze from your hands to tight fists. Roll your eyes up in your head. Breathe fully out. In, 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, in. 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, in. 2, 3, 4, out. In, out. Through your nose or mouth. Your breath flow through you. In, out, in, out. voice go. The vibration through your throat. Down into your chest. Up into your head. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In. Out. In. Out. Stay with your breath. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In. Out. Breathe deeply in. Hold. Squeeze from your roots. Up through your belly and chest. Your hands. Lift yourself to your crown. With all the energy within you, let your breath go. Breathe deeply in. And let it go. Deep, full breaths. Let it go. Deep, slow breath. Let it go. And if you can, with every breath in, squeeze from your root. Release with every breath out. Deeply in. Let it go. Deeply in. Let it go. Gentle squeeze. And release. Deeply in. Let it go. Deeply in. Let it go. Last breath. Deeply in. And hold. Lift yourself from your body. And let it go. All the energy drains from your body as your breath slips away. Become heavy. You sink down. Sink down into the earth. You feel yourself falling, tumbling inwards. Let your heart guide you. Love and compassion. You're open to receive the sacred wisdom that flows through you. Ancient stories. Connect with the truth. Connect with all that you are. The emotions, all the memories. Connect all the lost and forgotten parts. Breathe deeply in. And hold. You squeeze. Pull your eyes up in your head. Loud chant. Let your breath go. Squeeze from your root. Breathe deeply in. And let it go. Deeply in. And let it go. Deeply in. And let it go. Deep, full breaths. Continuous, connected breath. No hold to the top. No hold to the bottom. Deep waves of energy rolling through you. A wave of light rushing up your spine with every breath in. Imagine your crown like a portal that opens. Light radiates outwards with every breath in. Let your voice go. Primal energy within you. Sing with your breath. A roar of energy. Let the energy move. Let it flow. Let your body shake and shiver. Let your hands dance with the energy around you. Breathe deeply in. And hold. You squeeze. The lion's breath. Breathe fully out. Connect with the rhythm. The beats. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, in, out, in, out. In, out. Squeeze with every breath. Release. In. Release. In. Surrender. In. Surrender. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Let yourself laugh, cry. In, release. Release all that's within you. All the emotions. Let everything go. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Last breath. Breathe deeply in. And hold. Let it go. Without breath. For as long as you need. Free. Without breath. Let your body go. Without breath. Layers of consciousness fall away. Inwards. Open your heart to whatever's alive within you right now. To the love, the anger, fear, the joy. Feel all that is there. Surrender to all this energy. Fully experience. Your whole life flows through your heart. You're a divine being. Perfect. You are pure love. As you return to your natural breath, experience your breath as waves of energy flowing through you. A wave of light rising and falling with every breath. Like waves of emotion flowing through you. Feel your heartbeat in your chest, like a pulsing light. With every beat rippling outwards, the ripples on a pond, outwards into the infinite universe. You feel an energy of life, tingling, vibration, starting at your fingertips. Feel it as a light, vibrating, spreading through your fingers and hands. Light vibrates through your arms, to your chest, your face. This vibrating light spreads through your body. You release this image of self, this image of body. Become formless energy, flowing light, a breath, a ripple of heart energy. You raise this vibrational energy. Bring to mind the face of a loved one. See their beautiful smile. You feel their warm embrace. You feel this love grow. With every breath in, this love grows brighter. Every beat of your heart, this love pulses outwards. You are love. You are loved. And you love. Connected to all life. Connected to all hearts. Pure divine light. A single spark of consciousness. The infinite universe. Feel the rush of cool air through your nose. Feel the contact beneath your body. As you come back to this time, to this place, come back into your body. A deep breath in. A big sigh of good feelings. You wiggle your fingers, your toes, move your hands and feet, stretch. And take a moment to allow this experience to flow through you. Without trying to give it words and meaning, just allow it to be the experience. A movement of energy. This moment right now is like waking from a dream. It seems so real and vivid. When you try to grab on, it disappears. It's a powerful moment to write into a journal, to practice unconscious writing, to allow this other part of self to share a story. And only when you're ready, begin to open your eyes, to come back. If you're lying down, take your time getting up. You have a little head rush. And perhaps you just want to unplug and drift back off into the infinite universe, drifting and tumbling, exploring space, the inner and the outer. Thank you for breathing with me tonight. Thank you for being here, sharing your heart with me. And when you're ready, you can come back.